I hope you can hear me over the traffic. I have come out to dig my van out and to de-ice it. See how thick the ice is on there? Look at the windows. That's going to take some serious scraping. I've got it running. I ran it a little bit yesterday. Thank goodness I've got one of those automatic start things on my van. Look at this. I sprayed some de-icer on the door on the other side. At least I could get that side open. But it is rather froze. It's above freezing barely. So I'm hoping it's going to thaw out today. Some of the window has already thawed out. This is the side that gets all the weather. So it's rather horrible. But the roads are a little bit slushy. They're going to refreeze tonight. But it's better than it has been. This is I think third day that maybe fourth day that I haven't gone anywhere. And I'm not going out today, but I figured I better de-ice the van and let it run for a little bit, just in case. Oh, here is a bush next door to me. Look at the ice on that. We haven't had a bad winter for about 6 years. So it is, I told everybody we were due for a bad one. Not that I wanted it, but yeah. That ice is rather thick on there. So, we're supposed to have a little bit of a chance of refreeze. Well, it's going to refreeze tonight anyhow, but a little bit of chance of more ice and snow the next couple of days. And then Monday, they said they're tracking another storm. So I just hope it's not going to be real bad. But I'm going to dig myself out while I can. And I have no idea what kind of tracks these are. Looks like maybe rabbit tracks. I don't know. So if you all know, let me know. Might be cat tracks. I don't know. But it goes from my neighbor's house, which nobody lives in. It's abandoned. So if y'all know what those are, let me know. But I'm going to continue to dig my van out and have it ready to go, even though I'm not going anywhere. But I'm going to get off here and finish my job, so I will talk to y'all later. Y'all take care, stay safe, and stay warm. Bye.